What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Neil Young reaction video. So today we're gonna be checking out "Like a Hurricane" by Neil Young. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. Okay, straight into the song. It's kind of a sad guitar riff, man. Oh man, there's some lot of sadness behind that. Turn up the volume, please. Ah. That is too bad, man. Oh, this song hits right in the feels, man.
I am just a dreamer, but you are just a dream.
You are just a dream.
You could away between us and the foggy trail.
This is you and me.
You are like a hurricane. There's calm in your eyes, and I'm getting blown away somewhere safer where the feelings stay. I wanna love you, but I'm getting blown away.
This song hits right here, man. Oh, Neil killed it with this solo, man. Ah, this is film. Anyone, but after that moment, yeah.
Before that moment you touched my lips, that perfect feeling when time just slips away between us on a foggy
hurricane.
And I'm getting blown away somewhere safer where the feelings stay. I wanna love you, but I'm getting blown away.
This is beautiful music, man. There's so much bittersweetness, so much regret, nostalgia. There could have been, so what could have happened in this song, you know? This guitar is beeping, man. Oh, you could listen to this all day, man. What happened there? Literally at the end of the fretboard, I guess. Amazing, man. What a song. Man, this song just hits you right in the feels, man. I mean, this song wastes no second to hit you right in the feels. From the get-go, oh man. You know what this kind of remind me of? Like, you know, if you love someone so dearly, maybe in your college days or high school days, like really a deep relationship, but somehow you couldn't make it work and you parted ways, but years later you meet that person, you see that person, and that what could have been done, what could have happened, the regrets, all that thoughts rushing in, that kind of odd sadness and that kind of bittersweet feeling you have is this, man. It's kind of this. Wow. That is just like it's like a love that is not yours. Like there's a singular term. It doesn't translate well into English what I said, but it's like you love that person but you cannot be with them, so you love that person from a distance. You know you can't be with them, or you can't they can't accept your feelings or something like that. Like you're like a hurricane that's calm in your eye. It's kind of genius now that I think of it, because the hurricane's eye is the most calm part, you know, in the middle of the hurricane is the most calm part of that hurricane. Is it hurricane or hurricane? I don't know. And you are in the outskirts of the hurricane, so you're getting blown away because the winds are too high, too speedy. Oh man, that hits you like a train wreck. Those feelings of when you can't love someone, and you have to do that from a distance. You know that it's just a dream, that it'll never be true. It'll always be just a dream. Like I said, they had some connection before, like before that moment you touched my lips. So they were together, I guess. But something happened and they parted ways, and now she's just a dream that you cannot make it true. Oh man, that is such a train wreck of a feeling. And by the way, let's not forget the guitar. He just let that guitar sing his sadness. He let the guitar weep, not gently. Not while my guitar gently weeps. The guitar wept this time. It was absolutely beautiful, man. Absolutely gorgeous. Neil Young just let the guitar speak this time. Neil Young is absolutely amazing. His songs are so beautiful, so catchy, and this one hits you like a train. This one surely does. So big thank you for you guys over there on Patreon for voting for this amazing song. And thank you so much for supporting the channel. And if you guys like to check out uncut, unedited reactions and vote on upcoming reactions just like this, feel free to check out Patreon and support the little channel. Link is down in the description. And as always, a big shout out for the amazing best of our little Patreon family for supporting the channel and helping us discover awesome music just like this. So make sure to comment out those regarding. So let me know what Neil Young song we shall be checking next. And I'll catch you guys next video then. Peace.